Hey guys, this is another Tech Tuesday episode, and what I have here today is a HD action camera. Yeah, anyway, this is from Menards, and I bought it after Thanksgiving sale. And after I bought this, I looked up some from Walmart, and they're about the same price, but this one's a 720p, and the ones if I remember correctly, correct me if I'm wrong, and you probably will in the comments, but there's one that has 1080p for about the same price. So yeah, anyway, regardless, I did buy two of these. Regardless, I will open it up and show you what to expect. Perhaps this pen only works very, very good for certain things. Maybe I just got to use it correctly. Perhaps there's more, or there's not as many adapters in the 1080p from Walmart, but I don't know. Maybe that's the difference, maybe it's not. What you get is waterproof case. And I actually opened the other one I bought and learned that you have to do that and peel that up because they don't want water getting in there. They want a good seal. And it's a cute little camera, and I might do some filming with it. Got a charger port and SD card right there. I assume that's the battery. I haven't really looked into it that much. Some other controls. The capture button, power button, camera, of course. The screen, I don't know. And I haven't, this one's probably not charged. Oh, it's turning on. Yeah, so it turned on for a little bit, but it does this little jingle. And yeah, that's all the power it's got. So that doesn't have any power, actually. But goes back in there, and how's that go? Okay. Anyway, the attachments, I would recommend having a screwdriver because it is a Phillips, and you just unscrew, at least loosen it. Actually, it is quicker just to use all the way for that, but it's cool with all these attachments that you get. That is the benefit of these things. So it's called what is it called? Action camera. Thus, mount it to your helmet. And I probably won't ever do that. My friends actually kayaks. They would probably do that if they had one of these. This thing can allow you to mount it onto a pole or a mic stand or something to that effect, and this screws into this actually for the head mount. Yeah. These are the straps I'll never use, but other than the manual, I have no idea what this is. I assume some kind of mount. Actually, I think I might know what it is. I might be wrong about this, but allows you to function without the case, I think. I bet it goes on either way, actually. Yeah, that's what it is. Must be what it is. Well, at least, oh, there we go. You can at least use it that way. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that, actually. But that's not easy to get off. If you're going to be filming on your vehicle or whatever, setting track time videos and whatnot, you might want to use the, I assume, indestructible case. So this is actually one I powered or charged up. So this is what it looks like when you turn it on. Does its little jingle. and stays on. So this is what the screen looks like. It's kind of low resolution, low quality, not very bright, but yeah, I mean, you viewers aren't going to be looking at your screen anyway. You're going to be looking at your footage. So maybe in the future I'll make some videos with it, but this is just an overview. So according to the box, you get a charging cable, a waterproof case, mounting gear, all those little attachment things I showed you, and an 8 gig SD card. Let's see if that is correct. We can actually check both of them right now. It is 8 gigs. And actually at Menards, I bought these about $7. You can buy some SD to micro SD adapters. $7. So I bought 2 of them. And with each adapter you get a 32 gigabyte. So hey, that's good. Good start there. Put that in any phone, save a lot of photos. Bought this at Walmart. Yeah. Helps me organize my SD/USB flash drives. So this actually is from another video about my mouse. I don't know if you've seen this before or after this video, but that's the same exact thing as this, and allows you to plug this into your phone. For instance, like I have an S8. Actually, I'm filming with it right now, and you can download videos, whatever, to your flash drive. So that's a nice little thing I got with that, but that has nothing to do with these little cameras, actually. Yeah, so I don't know if I would go with this or one of these more off-brand ones, or I would go with a GoPro. Don't know. Probably an off-brand one, because I have reasonable luck with off-brand stuff. So I guess that's the video for today. It's a little bit longer than my mouse video, but if you like this, please, like it. Comment below, subscribe please, that would be nice, that would help me out a lot. See you at the next video.